Please take a second to look over this disclaimer before proceeding to the rest of this video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to swing trade cryptocurrencies. We're going to look at how to swing trade using our trade ideas leaderboard and how to use the new feature of these bars which we've added to mitigate your losses as well as extend your winnings by simply holding the same coins and tokens over time. So stay tuned. I really need to get some plugs out of the way. So first, if you find this content useful and helpful, don't forget to smash that like button. It helps others find our content here on YouTube. On here, we share content like this video where we show you how to do proper due diligence and find out about potential crypto scams and explain how they work so that you can hold on to more of your crypto. But also, we share content like this, a timely technical analysis video that helped me to avoid and can help you to avoid as well potential drawdowns inside of the crypto market, as well as securing the bag for some fast profits, as I was able to do even as the market was falling, using our fearmonger indicator, which we share absolutely free over here on our site Amassers.com. Let's just jump right in. We've added a new feature to our trade ideas leaderboard, and I want to cover it. I'm going to cover this in this video. I'm going to cover the positive side, and I'm going to also add in another video where we were on the negative side, and we'll talk about the approaches for swing trading using the new bars feature. I'm going to go over here. This is a very positive day. You can tell because we just looked at the fearmonger. Now we've added these bars. There are generally going to be about, let's say, 1 to 5 of these bars. What are these bars for? I know you're saying. So when you have a score over here, this score is telling you what scoring trading ideas for that day, but it's only on a daily basis. And while I do come in sometimes and get in and out of trades, you can see here on this channel where I've done it in minutes, hours, days, weeks. For most people, you remove the challenge of overcoming the spread, you remove the challenge of perfect timing on your entry when you start to learn to swing trade. And that's going to make things a lot simpler for you to get in a position, note your price, and plan your exit, and probably possibly make it where you can profit more. Now, there's a lot of coins, and a lot of these coins are all heavily correlated. So, okay, you've got a score on the day. You obviously want to get in on a buy. The easiest thing you can do, in my opinion, is get in on a buy using this trade idea leaderboard when you start to see the action early in the day. Now this is late in the day. You see we've got 6 of these already, so it's late in the day. Okay, now what's the bars all about? We see we're late in the day, so this isn't most of the day is over. So all of the scores here are for today. So those scores are going to expire, and you can tell by the time here that's 23:58. So at this time there was only 2 minutes left in the day. But these bars are for longer term indications. Now, when everything is out here and everything is green, the question becomes, okay, well, where do you go? You look for scores that obviously don't have a yellow caution on them, because that means there may not be much more running it can do on that day. But there's nothing that says you have to buy and sell on the same day. So we added these bars where you can make a comparison based on a more longer term approach. Now, let's just look at some quick examples to make this clearer, hopefully. Here we've got the more bars, obviously, the better this would be for long term. So let's look at some dramatic differences. Everything's moving up, but Pancake Swap has 1 bar, XRP has 1 bar, and down here, Polygon has 4 bars. So if it were early in the day, what am I looking to trade first? I'm looking to trade Polygon, because in this comparison, using this trade ideas leaderboard, if I only saw maybe 1 or 2 over here, then I know the day is still early, then this is where I would go to first. Now let's look at these quickly on a chart so that you can kind of visualize this easier. Here's Polygon, and now here's what we're going to be looking at. This is the weekly. Polygon's up 12.22% on the week. Polygon's up 92% on the month. So if I can't get out today, or if I have an intention of holding longer term, that's been proven to be the better play. It had 4 bars. Now let's look at something that only has 1 bar. Okay, the next thing I looked at here was XRP. There's good news with XRP in their the various court cases going on right now. They're getting some wins under their belt. But we're just looking at price alone. Over the last week, XRP is up 4.11. The reason also that I looked at XRP is see how it's number 6. It's got a lot more volume, and it's lower, so there's more liquidity most likely. So again, we're back at a week. We're up 4.11%. At a month, we're up 13.35%. Okay, now remember that was a 1 bar indication. Now let's look at another 1 bar indication. This is Pancake Swap. You notice we don't have as much volume here, and you'll notice that it's ranked even higher. But we're up 8.56% on the week, so we're doing a little better even than XRP, which we just looked at, and we're up 19% on the month. Again, doing a little bit better. But neither of these, both of these are 1 bar, and on a longer term time frame, none of these compare to this. When you can start seeing trade ideas for coins or tokens that have the higher bars, then it's going to make it most likely a better play for you to hold those tokens even on a longer term time frame. And that's why we added the bars. Now I'm going to connect another video to this, and we're going to be looking at another day in the past where we had a really negative day. But that's all I have, guys, and I hope that this is going to just add to your abilities to trade efficiently before you even get to a chart. We're just using our trade idea leaderboard, and we're learning how to swing trade crypto.